Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering off the device and removing any case. This prevents accidental inputs and gives you access. Once done, warm the screen for about 15 to 30 seconds on low heat so the adhesive softens. Hold the dryer 6 to 8 inches away. Next, insert a nylon pick or your fingernail at a corner and pry gently. You want a small gap, not a snap. Keep steady pressure. You are separating adhesive rather than tearing the protector. You now peel the protector at a shallow angle, roughly 30 to 45 degrees, because that reduces stress on the adhesive and the glass. Pull slowly and evenly, about 1 to 2 inches per second. Abrupt speed risks leaving residue or cracking the protector. If the edge sticks, thread a piece of dental floss under and use a gentle sawing motion to cut through the adhesive. Keep the screen warmed slightly if needed. It helps the glue release without damage. You finish by cleaning any adhesive residue. Apply 70% isopropyl to a microfiber cloth, not directly on the screen, and wipe in one direction to avoid streaks. Make sure to inspect the surface for tiny glass shards. Use clear tape to lift those safely, pressing and peeling. Repeat until clean. If the protector cracks during removal, stop immediately, power off, and continue only from a stable edge to avoid pushing shards inward. This protects both you and the display.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.